Hello everyone and all the tech enthusiasts out there. I am Austin RETAGA, your host for today. In today's episode, we will be driving into the exciting world of computer networking, how it works and why it's such an important foundation in the field of information technology. We all know that networking is one of the most valuable innovations of our generation. It is the practice of connecting two or more computing devices to share data, information, and resources efficiently. So now let us have an example here. Imagine your home setup with multiple devices, laptop, desktop, smartphone, and smart TVs, and printer. Instead of each devices operating in isolation, they are all connected, sharing internet access and even resources among each other. So first, let us make sure that we have two devices and one internet connection. In this case, I have a cell phone and a TV. Now, let us ensure that both devices are connected to the internet. As you can see here, the TV is already connected into the internet. And after establishing the connection, we can use the third-party app to mirror the cell phone display to the TV. As we can see, the phone screen is now displayed on the TV. This is an example of networking or using network connectivity to share data between devices. Throughout this video, we will explore different types of networks from LANs, MANs, and WANs, as well Intranet and Internet itself. And by understanding the concept, you will gain the deeper appreciation of how computers communicate, collaborate, and skills that will help you design, manage, and secure modern networks in real world. So tune and grab your notes and let's get connected right here on TechTrends. So now let's welcome our special guest from RTU BSIT student.
Hi everyone, my name is Jel.
Hello everyone, I'm Janelle.
Hello everyone, I'm Pretty Maya.
Hello everyone, I am RYZA.
Hello everyone, I am Angelie.
And my name is JHANNA.
Hi everyone, my name is Pandari. Joke lang, April.
So thank you for that wonderful introduction, guys. So let us proceed in our topic. We all know that networking is a very broad topic, which is why we gathered some questions from our audience to help guide our discussion today. So first question from our audience, what is the difference between a network and a standalone computer?
So hi again, I am Angelie Emmanuel. So earlier, Austin explained kung ano nga ba yung networking. So this time, may explain ko naman kung ano yung difference ng standalone computers and yung network computers. So, explain ko kung ano sila and ano yung difference sila as well as their advantages and disadvantages. So, first is yung standalone computer. So, ano nga ba yon? So, it's a computer that works independently. Kumbaga, it doesn't rely on other computers or network to perform its tasks. Hindi rin ito gumagamit ng internet. So, ito yung mostly ginagamit ng mga time na hindi pa advanced yung technology. So, kung gagamit ka nito, is kailangan mo ng external storage such as DVD disk, diskette, flash drive, or any external hard drive para makapag-share ng resources. So, to better explain it, sasabihin ko kung ano yung mga advantages and disadvantages nito. So, sa advantages is, it is more secure kasi nga hindi siya connected to other computers or internet. Kaya mas secure siya. And also, it provides better privacy because data is stored locally. Kumbaga, kung sino lang gagamit ng computer, siya lang yung makaka-access nito. Kasi hindi siya shared sa group. So, ayun. So, next is less complex siya. So, mas madali siyang i-maintain, mas madali siyang gawan pag nagkaroon ng any problems. And mas less yung maintenance nito. And dahil doon, mas lower yung cost nito. So next is, it works independently. So, pag nagkaroon ng problem sa network or pag na-down yung network, hindi siya maapektuhan kasi nga wala naman siyang network. So next is yung disadvantages. So, it cannot share files or resources easily with other computers. Bale, kailangan mo pa ng mga hard disk, diskette para mag-share, and mas mahirap yon, and mas mahirap compared siya sa compared sa ngayon na pwede mo nang i-share siya sa internet. So next is yung software and data update must be done manually on each device. And also, mas mahirap din siyang i-share sa multiple users kasi nga iisa lang yung gagamit and hindi siya nagagamit for centralized management. So, yung collaboration din dito is limited. So, dako naman tayo sa network computer. So, yung network computer is connected to other computers through a network. Gumagamit ito ng LAN or yung internet. And it allows users to access or share resources through printers, scanners, or different devices such as servers. And yung example nito is kunwari sa computer lab, gumagamit sila ng same network. Kaya sila nagiging connected sa isa't isa. So first is yung advantages. So it allows file and resource sharing which makes work faster and more convenient. So dahil nga mas konting click lang is makakapag-share ka na agad kahit pa malayo kayo sa isa't isa. So next is yung it supports collaboration as multiple users can access and work on shared files. Kumbaga real time nasisend agad yung mga files kaya mas nagiging effective to for collaboration. Next is users on a network can easily share resources such as printers, scanners, and ayun nga, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, mas madali siyang ma-share. Kumbaga compared siya dun sa standalone na iisa-isahin. So, yung disadvantages naman dito is it is more vulnerable to viruses and hacking kasi nga gumagamit dito ng internet. And also, in terms of server naman, pag nag-fail yung network, connected yung mga computer, so mas mahihirapan sila mag-function properly. And mas mahal din yung paggawa dito and also mahal din yung pag-maintenance and mas mahirap yung pag-maintain. So, ayun lang po.
Thank you for that wonderful answer discussing kung ano ba yung difference ng network and a standalone computer. So, for our next question from our audience, ano naman yung different types of networks?
Hello everyone, so I'm gonna talk about something we all use every day, but probably don't think much about. It's called networks. So first, what is a network? So, a network is just a group of devices like computers or phones that are connected so they can share information. That could be sending a file, chatting online, or watching videos. If your phone connects to Wi-Fi or you ever use Google in class, yep, that's thanks to a network. So now there are different kinds of networks depending on how big they are or where they are used. Some are small, like the ones in a single building or school. Others are huge, like the internet, which connects the whole world. Now let's talk about the four main types of networks. First is the local area network, short for LAN, Metropolitan area network, short for MAN, wide area network, short for WAN, and Intranet and Internet. But I'm not going to explain each one in detail. I just want to share why they matter. So why is this important? Well, as a student, I use these networks all the time when I research online, join a class, send emails, or even just connect to school Wi-Fi. Knowing a little about how they work helps me understand where my information is going, what's safe to share, and how to fix small problems when something's not working. Well, learning about networks makes tech less confusing and help us be smarter and safer when we are online. That's it.
So it seems there are a lot of networking terms coming up. So let's break them one by one. Let's start what is LAN.
So hi guys, let me explain something. Joke. Ang LAN, it is a type of network that Miss May and De La Cruz has mentioned. So let's talk about LAN. So LAN is a short term for local area network. So, a lot of you are familiar with that kasi lahat naman po tayo dito ay meron nun sa bahay. So, it is a type of network that connects devices like computers such as the desktops, your laptops, and mobile phones, telephones, and even servers. That covers only a small area. Like sa mga bahay natin, sa classroom, kumbaga sa lab natin, di ba, may wifi tayo which is specifically for that area only. So, bawal makakonect ng other person. Pwede rin siyang sa office, in a company, or even a law firm. Ganon. Tapos, again, to our audience who's watching, so when we say LAN, always remember that it pertains to a network within a small area only. It has a proximity that range up to 1 kilometer. So, dito kasi, based on my research, ang LAN kasi, or ang LAN connection, di ba meron sa Wi-Fi natin na 2.4G and 5G. So, trivia, ang 2.4G, kapag nakakonect ka sa Wi-Fi nyo, hindi lang yun basta number. Ang 2.4G kasi, pwede ka kumonect kahit lumabas ka ng bahay nyo, sakop pa rin siya ng internet nyo. Ang 5G naman, within the household lang. So, pwede siyang umabot sa labas, pero mabagal na siya. So, ayun. So, going back, kahit na small area lang ang LAN, ang kinagandahan niya kasi, one of its advantages, it's high data transmission rate. So, syempre gusto naman natin yung mabilis na connection, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, puro online class tayo. So, it has a quicker and faster data transmission. Like, pwede tayong mag-download ng file ng saglit lang. And pwede tayong manood ng movies, makinig ng kanta without interruption such as lags and bluffs. So, unlike other networks kasi, of course, I'm not gonna explain them, but unlike other networks kasi, hindi ganon kabilis mag-transmit ng data kapag kumo-connect sila sa internet. For additional information, yung network na to, ina-allow niya all devices that we utilize or ginagamit to communicate with each other. Like for example, yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba, ang example ng device na kinoconnect ng LAN is the server. So, when a local area network is involved with many computers, kumbaga, kumonect siya sa many computers, they are usually called a server-based network. Familiar ba kayo doon? So, ayun. Ang servers kasi, it's not the actual prototype hardware. Ano siya? Special computer siya within a company kung saan it processes data to facilitate communication. For example, ikaw as an employee, mabilis ka makakapag-send sa HR mo or sa boss mo ng file like documentation or any files that has concern in your job. Tapos, yun nga, yung nagre-receive ng mga files, tinatawag natin yung the clients. And on top of that, of course, ang kinagandahan kasi sa LAN, we can access internet connection through wired or what we call Ethernet and by wireless connection by a router. So, how does LAN work? So, since I mentioned earlier, the router, of course, the local area network won't be a network and it cannot provide a network without components. So, ang LAN has essential components for it to work. So, based on my research, ito lang po yung mga alam ko. So, first one, we have the router. Ito yung device that connects the LAN to the internet. Yung nakita nyo sa bahay nyo na may antenna and parang box lang siya. Parang siyang DVD player, diba? So, ayun. Second, we have the LAN or Ethernet cables. Yung, ginagawa natin, yung ina-assemble natin. Diba? Ginawa natin yon. So, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang LAN cables po kasi, ito yung physical wire. Yung nakikita nyo na color blue or yellow. So, ayun na po yun. If ayaw mong kumonekta sa internet ng wireless, you can use this cable to plug it in your device to access the internet. So, para sa mga di nakakala, magbibigay ako example. So, sa pag call center ka or nagtataba ako sa BPO, tapos syempre yung mga BPO ngayon kasi home base na sila. So, merong company na ina-assign yung mga employees nila to work from their home, tapos ko-connect sila dun sa server ng company nila through a LAN cable. So, na-observe ko yun sa sister-in-law ko kasi siya, ang ginamit niyang pang-connect is LAN cable. So, color orange yun. So, ayun nga, like I said, may other colors pa ang LAN cable. So, kung ayaw mo connect wirelessly, you can use this to connect. So, third, we have the abbreviation, the WAPs. It's shortened for Wireless Access Point. So, if you want to connect your device wirelessly, you need an access point to be connected. So, madali lang naman to. For example, ako pupunta ako sa bahay ni Mr. Austin RETAGA. On mo lang yung Wi-Fi option dun sa phone nyo. Like, you can scroll it down or depends on your user interface. Then, may lalabas na doon ng Wi-Fi list. Then, all you have to do is you select the desired network name that you chose and i-input mo lang yung correct password doon. So, ganun lang kadali. So, ano ba mas gusto nyo? Wireless or wired? Wireless. Same. Tapos, fourth, we have the switch. Actually, ito una, gulong-gulo ako kung ano ba switch, kung ito ba yung physical switch. Pero, as I dig deeper, ito yung nagko-connect ng multiple devices on the same LAN that you have. Pwede mong i-plug in dito yung desktop and landline. Kasi yun sa amin, ganun. Pwede mong isuksok yung dalawang cables for it to work. Tapos, next, of course, para makakonect ka, need mo ng end-user devices, yung mga cellphone natin, yung mga pang-araw-araw na ginagamit natin sa schools kapag magko-code. So, by utilizing this, you can now send data to other devices through connecting to the internet. So, last one, it's not really that essential, pero siya, napaka-importante nito is the firewall. So, LAN is more secure than any network because it has a security component that protects the network from unauthorized access. So, pwede, ang LAN din kasi, siya, mas madali siyang manavigate kasi nakikita mo kung sino yung mga nakakapasok dito na hindi mo naman pinagbigyan ng password. So, ayun. Unlike other networks kasi, mas malaki yung sakap nila. So, they're the ones who's going to explain that. Okay, so, yun lang po yung LAN.
So, next naman, ano naman yung Metropolitan Area Network?
Alright. So, kakatapos lang i-explain yung LAN. Now, we will talk about naman the MAN. Ang Metropolitan Area Network or simply called MAN ay isang type ng network na mas malaki or broad kaysa sa local area network or LAN. So, mas known siya sa pangalan naman. Pero mas maliit naman kaysa sa wide area network or yung WAN. So, kung iisipin natin, para siyang bridge sa pagitan ng mga LANs sa loob ng isang city or mas malaking lugar. So, example, I will give an example para mas ma-vision niyo yung sinasabi ko. Halimbawa, sa isang city tulad ng Manila, may iba't ibang school campuses, government offices, or businesses. Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang LAN sa loob ng building, gaya na sinabi ni April kanina. Pero gusto nila mag-share ng data or internet connection across the city. Diba mas convenient kung connected sila lahat? So, dyan papasok yung MAN, which is yung Metropolitan Area Network. Ito yung nagko-connect ng mga LAN sa isang metropolitan area gamit ng high-speed connection tulad ng fiber optics or microwave transmission. So, ang MAN, madalas siyang ginagamit ng mga telecommunication companies at internet service providers para magbigay ng mabilis at stable na connection sa mga businesses, districts at school. So, isipin na lang natin kung walang MAN, bawat building or campus may sarili lang internet. So, ang result, mabagal, disconnected, at mahirap mag-share ng mga data. Kaya with the help of MAN, nagkakaroon tayo ng efficient communication, faster data transfer, at wide coverage, pero limited pa rin siya sa isang city or region lang. So, kaya next time na pag naririnig niyo yung MAN network, hindi siya lalaki, kundi isang
Nasa utak.
powerful network na nagko-connect ng buong city. So, next naman is WAN.
Thank you for... So after natin malaman kung ano yung LAN, WAN, and lastly, meron naman tayong WAN or yung tinatawag na Wide Area Network.
Hi everyone! So, lastly, we have the WAN or Wide Area Network. As Mayan said kanina, it is a type of computer network and it connects smaller networks like yung local and metropolitan area network. So, sa madaling salita, WAN allows computers and devices from different places to communicate and share data kahit magkaibang cities or even sa ibang bansa. A good example of WAN is the Internet itself, which is yung nagagamit natin ngayon, na nagko-connect from all over the world. Without WAN kasi, we won't be able to access websites, cloud services like yung Google Drives, or even communicate easily through online platforms. And WAN is very helpful, especially sa schools and businesses na rin, because it allows them to share information instantly. For example, companies that have branches in different locations, they can still work together pa rin, na para ba nasa isang building lang sila. Kasi naging napadali ang pag-communicate nila and collaboration, since data can be transmitted quickly between remote areas. So other example for this one is even in our online classes or video conferences wouldn't be possible without WAN, since it connects us to the internet where all those platforms operate. As a student naman, I can apply the concept of WAN in my studies and daily life in many ways. First, I use WAN every time I connect to the internet, like kapag nagre-research for assignments and submit all my activities online through platforms such as the Google Classroom. And as students, syempre, we need to use the WAN wisely. Kasi internet is very wide and other people use it to scam others, so be responsible na din. And we need to understand how WAN works, especially nowadays. So, ayun na.
So thank you for that answer, no? So finally, for our last question from our audience, what is the difference between intranet and internet, and are they the same?
First is, I'll be discussing the intranet while JANELLE for the internet. And you'll understand kung kung parehas nga ba sila or hindi. What is intranet? An intranet is a secure and private network that connects people within an organization. It allows employees or members such as students and teachers to communicate, share files, and access important information easily. Unlike the internet, which is a public, an intranet is restricted to members of the specific organization. Like for example, kapag ka nag-login ka sa student portal mo para makita yung grades or other announcements doon, ay yun na yung tinatawag natin intranet system, na karamihan sa atin hindi alam na ayun na pala yung intranet, meaning hindi natin alam pero ayun na pala yun. Discuss din ako ng common features about ng internet. It includes the internal web page or dashboard kung saan makikita natin yung news, updates, or important announcement ng mga ating props. It also provides file sharing tools, online forms, and messaging system that helps everyone to stay connected. Like, kunwari, for example na lang sa ating school settings, students and professors can upload and download learning materials. Pwede rin sila mag-check ng ating class schedule, or even pwede tayo mag-chat sa ating professor through built-in communication tools. How intranet is helpful? The internet is helpful because it makes communication faster and more organized. Meaning to say, mas napapadali niya yung pag-communicate sa atin and mas organized siya since it's a private network. It saves time, reduces confusion, and makes information accessible anytime. It is also secure because only authorized user can access it, protecting sensitive data from outsider. Most importantly, it encourages teamwork since everyone can collaborate using shared tools and resources. Like, how can I apply this as a student? For me, as a student, I can apply the use of intranet by logging into my school system to view lessons, announcements, and grades. I can also submit my assignment online, join groups discussion, and communicate directly with my professor. Like for example, yung school namin ay may learning management system or tinatawag na LMS or student portal. Ito yung nag-work as an intranet because it connects student and professors in one secure digital space. This helps us na ma-manage yung tasks and maging stay organized and prepare for future workplace na magagamit katulad ng similar system. Overall, the intranet plays a big role in how organization and school operates today. It more than just a private network, but it is a digital environment where people can communicate, collaborate, and share resources efficiently. Ayun nga, ang tinatanong ng ating host, what is the difference between intranet and internet? Or are they the same? For me, no, hindi sila parehas. The intranet and internet are not the same, although magkatunog sila pero magkaiba sila ng purpose. Because yung internet nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, it is a public network that connect millions of people and computers around the world. It allows anyone to access website or other information. Like for example, gumagamit tayo ng Google, YouTube, or Facebook na kaya nating makicommunicate na kahit kaninong tao. On the other hand, yung intranet naman is a private network that can only operate within an organization, such as company, school, or government office. It is only accessible to authorized user like employees or students, and it used to share internal information files and announcement secure. And that's all.
So, thank you for that answer. Ikaw naman po, Miss Jelaine, ano naman yung naiisip mo pag naririnig mo yung word na internet?
So, hi everyone. I'll be discussing naman yung internet, which is one of the most essential technologies in our daily lives. And kagaya nga nasabi ni Jelaine, yung intranet is a private network within a certain organization, while yung internet naman is a public network. So, yun nga, the internet is a public global network that connects millions of computers and devices that lets people communicate and exchange information worldwide. Technically, it's made up of many smaller networks connected together using communications rules called TCP/IP protocols. These protocols make sure that data is sent and received correctly between devices. Kaya kahit magkaibang brand o system, nagkakaintindihan pa rin yung mga machines. As a student, sobrang laking tulong talaga sa akin na internet and sa atin. Una, it gives us easy access to knowledge and information. I can research lessons, find references, and study using online resources anytime and anywhere. Hindi ko na kailangan maghintay pa sa library or sa mga printed materials. Isang click lang and the information we need or I need is right there. Second, it really helps with communication and collaboration. Through tools like Google Classroom, Google Meet, and other online platforms, mas madali na magpasa ng assignments and activities, magtanong ng clarification sa professors natin via Messenger, at gumawa ng group projects kahit nasa kanilang bahay lang tayo. Third, the internet enhances my productivity and creativity using applications like Google Docs, Canva, and Google Drive. It helps me stay organized and express my ideas more efficiently. So from a technical view, the internet is what we call a large-scale interconnected system. It links together private, public, academic, and business networks all over the world. Kaya nga it's often called the network of networks. Overall, the internet is not just a tool for information. It's really a bridge that it connects people, enhances learning, and empowers us to become responsible and informed digital citizens. So that would be all po. Thank you.
So, thank you everyone for that very insightful discussion about networking. And thank you everyone for joining us today. But before we end, let's have a quick recap of what we learned today. First of all, we have learned what is networking. It is the process of connecting two or more computers to share data, resources, communication. It is essential in IT for collaboration and data management. Next is we have the network and the standalone computer. A standalone computer works independently and stores data locally, while the network computer connects to others, allowing file sharing, communication, and internet access. Next, we have the different types of networks. We have the LAN or the local area networks, which cover a small area like home, school, or office. Next is the Metropolitan area network, which is connect multiple LANs across city or campuses. And lastly, we have WAN or the wide area networks, which spans large distances linking cities or countries. And we also have the Intranet, which is a private network used within an organization. Lastly, we have the Internet. It is the largest global network connecting millions of devices worldwide. So I hope you learned everyone from our discussion today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech-related content. And thanks for watching, and see you again in our next episode of TechTrends.
Alright, bye-bye!